Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious homemade donuts right in your kitchen. We'll cover everything from basic ingredients to the final glaze. First, let's gather our essential components. You'll need all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, active dry yeast, and whole milk. Don't forget eggs, unsalted butter, salt, and a touch of vanilla extract. Also, have your preferred frying oil, like vegetable or canola, ready for later steps. Getting organized now makes the whole process much smoother. Now that our ingredients are ready, let's get to the heart of donut making, the dough. Begin by activating your yeast in warm milk, ensuring it's between 105 and 115 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, combine your dry ingredients, then slowly incorporate the wet ones to form a soft, pliable dough. Knead this mixture for about 8 to 10 minutes until it's wonderfully smooth and elastic. Finally, let it rise in a cozy, warm spot for 1 to 2 hours until it has beautifully doubled in size. With your dough perfectly proofed, it's time for the fun part, shaping and frying. Gently roll out your dough on a lightly floured surface to about 1/2 inch thickness. Then, use a donut cutter or even 2 different sized round cutters to create your classic donut shapes. Next, heat your frying oil to a precise 350 degrees Fahrenheit in a deep pot. Carefully place a few donuts in the hot oil and fry them for 1 to 2 minutes per side until they're beautifully golden brown. Finally, let's add that irresistible finishing touch, the glaze. Whisk together powdered sugar, a splash of milk, and a hint of vanilla extract to create a smooth, sweet glaze. While your donuts are still warm, gently dip each one into the glaze, allowing any excess to drip back into the bowl. For extra flair, consider adding colorful sprinkles, a drizzle of melted chocolate, or a dusting of cinnamon sugar. Serve your homemade donuts warm and enjoy the delightful reward of your kitchen efforts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.